Hello, my dear students, third year students. Today, class about American literature in the topic prose. First unit, I have a dream. It was a speech given by Martin Luther King. The Martin Luther King is an famous American civil rights activist. I have a dream is a public speech that was delivered by Martin Luther King Jr. He is a famous American civil rights activist. Martin Luther King was delivered his speech on March in Washington, and it deals about the jobs and freedom, which was delivered in August 28, 1963, which is called Civil and Economic Rights to End the Racism in United States. Racism means the Negroes against the Negroes. So here the speech of Martin Luther King is first he started, I am happy to join with you today will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. 50 years ago, a great American in whose symbolic shadow we stand today signed the Emancipation Proclamation. The momentum's degree came as a great beacon light of hope to millions of Negro slaves who had been sheared in the flames of withering injustice, just opposite to justice, that is injustice too, which was proclaimed against Negro. The Negro is denoted as a black, means they acted as a slaves in United States. So Martin Luther King give an speech and encourage the Negroes to be all or get and freedom. Here he said, 100 years later, the Negro still is not free. 100 years later, the life of the Negro is still sadly crippled by the manacles of segregations and the chains of discrimination. Discrimination means it's a difference between whites and black. 100 years later, the Negroes lives on a lonely island of poverty in the midst of vast ocean of material prosperity. Here he said the Negroes lived in a lonely means alone. In a wide ocean, the Negroes lived in a alone island. There is no one who cannot help. They are hopeless. So here the American society find himself an exile in his own land, and so we have come here today to dramatize a shameful condition. He gives an speech that was a dramatic and shameful. Shame, S-H-A-M-E, shame means which you could not express something. Here, he unalienable rights of life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. It is obvious today defaulted on his promissory note insofar as our citizens of color are concerned. Here, Martin Luther King describes that the citizens of United States are discriminated. There are difference between whites and Negroes. So, instead of honoring this obligation, America has given the Negro people as a bad check, a check which came back marked with insufficient funds. So here he explained that Martin Luther King explained about the America has given a check, that the check was very bad condition and it was nothing. Insufficient means nothing to give to Negroes. But we refuse to believe that the Bank of Justice is bankrupt. We refuse to believe that there are insufficient funds in the great wallets of opportunity of this nation. And so we come to cash and check that will give us upon demand the riches of freedom and the security of justice. Here is said Martin Luther King gives an injustice to Negro to give an bankrupt or insufficient funds. So he wants to be riches to give freedom and security of justice. The justice belongs to all are equal, that blacks and whites. And next paragraph, he gives a speech about and Americans were fierce urgency of now. There is no time to engage in luxury of cooling off or to take tranquilizing drug of graduation. Now is the time to make real the promises of democracy. You already read about democracy or know about democracy. Demo and cracy. Demo means people and cracy means rule. The people rule. The people who can rule the country is called democratic country, which was coined by Abraham Lincoln, who is former president of America. He said, Abraham Lincoln said, democracy means of the people, by the people, and the people. It is a people rule. So here he stands for Martin Luther King explained that the justice and secularism was given to Negroes and equal shares to Negroes. And this paragraph, the legitimate discontent will not pass until is an invocating atom of freedom and equality. 1963 is not an end but an beginning. This is very important line. The 1963, the year stands, it's not for end to Negroes, but it is beginning of the Negroes to give and justice equality among all the American in the American states. And the next paragraph you can see, but there is something that I must say to my people. The my people belongs to American Negro peoples who stand on the warm threshold which leads into the palace of justice. He tells the palace of justice to given to Negroes and the process of gaining our rightful place. We must not to guilty of wrongful deeds. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst or freedom by drinking from cup of bitterness and hatred. This line also very important line. Let us not seek to satisfy our thirst. Thirst means one type of feelings to drink and water or something. So the thirst for freedom was not given to Negroes. So they instead of their drinking and cup of bitterness and hatred. Hatred means one who not loves the people. They called hatred. Hated peoples. We must forever conduct our struggle on the high plane of dignity and discipline. Discipline belongs to an one's character. We must not allow our creative products and degenerate into physical violence. Again and again, we must rise the majestic heights of meeting physical force with soul force. He repeatedly said that there was an violence. Violence means some kind of war or some kind of protest against the Negroes, which is physically and soulfully. The both conditions were belongs to Negroes. And finally, the marvelous new militancy which is engulfed the Negro community must not lead us to destruct of all white peoples, for many of our white brothers, as evidenced by the presence of here today, have come to realize that their destiny and tired up with our destiny, and they come to realize that their freedom is extremely bound to our freedom. We cannot walk alone. Here very important line is we cannot walk alone, because he said that the Negroes only not only walk alone. He instead of that said all white peoples and black peoples are brothers. So many of them are joined together, and we will not alone to take and justice. Instead of that, we take the justice and secularism in our United States. They combine together as an brothers and sisters in that American states. So Martin Luther King is an American civil right activist. Martin said that the jobs and freedoms on August 28, 1963 is just an beginning, it's not an end. In this topic, I have a dream about Martin Luther King's speech delivers in Washington in United States to Negro peoples, to not to be an slave peoples. Instead of that, they want to be an freedom in all over the country. That's the end of the lesson. Thanking you.